Good day. I am Rafael Bulungaita, a 22-year-old business administration graduate from Mapua University, and I'm applying for marketing manager position at your company. Over the past few years, I've developed a strong foundation in marketing sales, finance, and logistic coordination through both academic learning and hands-on experience. I started as a freelance business assistant for Shopee and Lazada sellers, where I handled product listings, customer messages, and designed promotional materials using Canva. I also implemented basic SEO strategies to help improve store visibility and conversion. In 2022, I joined BDO Unibank as a finance and admin intern. There, I supported the finance team with expense tracking and data entry, and I was also involved in auditing branch level transactions records. This experience gave me valuable exposure to banking operations and internal compliance processes. Most recently, I work at Jollibee Food Corporation as a marketing intern, where I help prepare content for both social media and in-store campaigns, analyze weekly sales trends, and participated in planning product activation campaigns across different branches. I'm a certified digital marketing by Google Digital Garage, Facebook Blueprint, Shopee University, and I'm proficient in tools like Microsoft Excel, Google Workspace, and Canva. I'm passionate about creating marketing strategies that are both creative and results driven. My goal is to contribute to the company where I can apply both my analytical and creative skills to drive brand growth and customer engagement. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your team and help achieve your marketing goals. Thank you.